Good evening once again from CMD. It's April 6, 2025 and kakatapos lang ng ating Northern Coast Tour. Tonight's weather is 18 degrees Celsius and it's our last night here in Taiwan. Time check?
8:48.
Dito tayo ulit sa CMD. Last boba tea. Tingnan natin kung anong makakain. Sulit natin ang araw. We love Taiwan.
Hey!
We had so much fun.
Yes, that's true.
Babalik tayo dito. Pineapple cake. Yan to, mga lantern.
Meron doon naman nakapack na milk tea.
Sige.
Parang 170, 30 yung naman.
170 tapos may 30 pieces.
30 pieces. So,
Na ano yan, powdered?
powder.
Yes, yes.
30.
You can make hot and cold brew. It's up to you. It's as you like it. This one, if you want to make cold, it's hot water and they melt and put the ice. Yeah, it's very rich food to drink.
It's Taiwanese, ha?
Yes, Taiwanese. Yeah.
How much for 3?
480.
480.
Yes, discount. Because already have a discount. Other store more expensive.
Can be different flavor?
Yes, sure.
Oh, different. Sige.
Ito yung sa hotel natin.
Oh, yan. Okay yan. Ito na. Ito yan.
Buy 3, 300.
300.
30 in discount. 60 pesos.
Bubble milk tea nougat. Oh, tingnan mo, ah. Pineapple cake chocolate flavor. Yeah. Oh, may libre. Kabili na tayo ng pineapple cake and milk tea powder drink. Skull Panda. Skull Panda, 330 NTT. Okay. Napping time. Yan ba yung nilalagay sa bag? Okay, balik tayo dito sa alley na may ABC Mart kung saan maraming food stall. Ito, we haven't tried stinky tofu. I guess tonight's the night. Okay, this is what we're getting. Salty and crispy fried stinky tofu.
Try na natin lahat ng pwede natin dito pa rin. Pero paunti-unti lang kasi baka hindi rin mo. Huwag ko na ba?
Dito tayo bumili ng dinner last night. Flour rice noodle. Walang pila ngayon, no?
Ganito yung chicken wings na binigay
Ni Shuni. Oh, ganito yung binigay sa amin kanina nung nag-tour kami. Stuffed siya with rice. Ay, nasa na yun?
Ganito. So yung kay Joaquin kalahati, yung sa'yo alita pa.
Dami natin binili yung food. Try na natin lahat hanggat nandito pa tayo sa Taiwan. At bukas na ang flight natin, umaga. For our final night, kailangan nating mag-milk tea bago tayo umalis tomorrow. So we're trying this M's Choices. They have their milk foam brown sugar milk tea.
Strawberry orange fruit tea, best seller daw nila, tsaka ito. Brown sugar bubble.
Yan na lang sa akin, brown sugar bubble. Ito yung menu nila. We're adding itong strawberry. Strawberry sparkling. Inuubos na yung barya kasi para hindi na ipapalit bukas. Good evening. Nakabalik na po tayo sa hotel natin. Nakita nyo naman ang dami nating biniling pagkain. Tara na at subukan.
Report.
Okay, anong meron?
I got mushroom. Para siyang inihaw, no?
Hindi naman lasang fishball.
Juicy pala ang mushroom. Yeah. Juicy, no? Inihaw.
Grilled mushroom. Okay. Meron din tayong stinky tofu. Ito ang fried. So, ganyan ang itsura niya. Mukha siyang chicharon.
Hindi naman siya mabaho talaga. Naghalo-halong amoy lang siya ng fermented something. Hindi ako nababahuan.
I'm actually surprised. It's not stinky at all and super tasty. Waki recommends. Times 3.
Yung mushroom lang, kakaiba, no? Parang squid.
Para siyang squid. Yun yung iniisip ko. Milk tea from M's Choices.
Cheers.
Cheers for a wonderful day. So, ano ang highlight of your day, Joaquin?
Lantern.
The lantern?
Yeah.
How did you feel about it?
I liked seeing it when it was going up, but I was really sad to see other people's wishes denied when I saw some of the lanterns. They were hanging from the trees. They fell.
Baka na-send na yung message na
Yeah.
binalik na dito yung vessel. Ikaw.
Siguro yung lantern din. Sinulat natin doon yung mga wishes natin, aspirations natin. Nakakaimo siya. Last day pa namin today, so
Niiyak ka na.
hindi. Ikaw, anong highlight mo ng...
Yun din, yung lantern, for the same reasons. Pinanguhugutan yung activity niya.
Kasi hindi lang siya basta-basta isusulat mo kung anong wishes mo eh.
Kasi yun yung pinapangarap mo sa buhay. Pero nakakatuwa yung kuya na nag-assist sa atin.
Actually,
Marunong siya mag-Tagalog.
Sin ko yung mga nag-a-assist doon. Nag-aaral sila talaga ng mag-Tagalog. Yung basic lang. Tayo ka dito, kaliwa kanan, mga ganun. Kasi alam nila na maraming Pinoy yung pumupunta dito. Marunong sila ng basic Tagalog. Kumusta naman yung kuha nila? Ni Kuya.
Ang ganda.
Ayun.
That's it for tonight. Till our next trip, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye bye.